Good morning. This is AR 2024 Supreme Court 1176. AR 2024 Supreme Court 1176. See, case of Ram Singh versus State of UP, wherein gunshot fire, a woman was shot dead. The trial court convicted them, High Court dismissed the appeal, Supreme Court has now elaborately discussed it. And you should understand, if you want to conduct the cases of gunshot firing, multi number of cases were discussed. Here actually what happened, two accused came to the spot of the deceased family, fired at the informant who was troubling them, and that gunshot reached the mother who was sitting little bit distance away from the informant standing. Her left breast was pierced and she died. And PW evidences were there, but the Supreme Court says this is most important. The trajectory of shot, that means the process of shot, the way how the shot reaches, it should be straight, upward or downward. So the Supreme Court has said the trajectory of shot seems to be downward because the accused was firing at informant by standing. Therefore, they say there is no possibility that high downwards could have hit the left breast of the deceased. This finding is most important. Apart from that, there are several other grounds for acquittal. Number one, co-accused was acquitted. Number two, evidence of PWs are not consistent. PW3 did not say that he saw a weapon carried by the accused. That apart, most important thing was the gun was not recovered, and ballistic report was not filed. So many latches are there. However, acquittal, a good case for reading. Multi number of cases were discussed. Multi number of cases were discussed related to firing shots. So kindly go through the judgment, will be very beneficial for you. Okay. Then thanks to all voters, peaceful elections at Georgetown Metropolitan Court. The trend of people was exhibited during the course of Georgetown election. That shows that BJP may get at least a few seats in Tamil Nadu. We never expected Sarasamuthu won the elections because people are in a different mood nowadays. Muhammad Ghaus was defeated by 2 votes. Other office bearers elections are not important. Thanks to voters electing Bhagiraj as a vice president and Mr. Vijay Kumar as a secretary, and Vijay Ganesh as joint secretary, Yuganathan as a librarian, and Subramani as a treasurer, and other executive members or youngsters were elected. I congratulate them all, and this election is also was not there of any political impact. So a good trend, let us see, because the advocates are representative of people. When there is a trend of voting Sarasamuthu at Georgetown election, defeating other candidates, shows the people trend, mind is totally different. If that was the mind of the people, definitely BJP will secure amazing votes, at least at some few constituencies. Best wishes.